We're going to be looking at how to draw the shaft and all the thread detail on this bolt now. I showed you in the previous video as to how to get that thread detail on the shaft of this using that calculation of 0.1 multiplied by whatever m is. In our case it's 22. Right, I'm going to start out. I've got my shaft drawn in over there. They've told me that it has a length of 83 millimeters. I draw a construction line down, okay, from that edge of the bolt over there, and a construction line coming down over here as well. You'll see that it doesn't link up with these lines over here. Please don't ever make that mistake. There is definitely a gap between this line and where that shaft is on your diagram. Right, those are two construction lines that I've taken down. And I can now start working from those. The thread detail that we've got, we're going to take that down and we're going to get a point over there, and from my thread detail up at the top over here I make another point over there. There's my thread detail coming down to the very bottom of this thing. I then need to take a 45-degree set square. If I can just find one of those, there we go. 45-degree set square, and I draw a line coming up at 45 degrees from where the thread detail is down at the bottom, and 45 degrees coming up from where that thread detail is. So there's my outside edge coming down, there's my outside edge coming down, there's the thread, and that's right down at the bottom of the bolt shaft. Same story over there, and I draw 45 and 45 degree angle going up. Once I've done that, I can then draw the shaft in of my bolt. I can then draw in a line going across there. Nice dark 0.5 line. Nice dark 0.5 line going across there and there. I now need to look at how to draw the thread detail. They have told you, or they normally tell you, how far up that thread needs to go on this thing. On this particular diagram they didn't. If they haven't given it to you, you then look at this little calculation and it says that the thread has a length of 2 multiplied by m. Alright? That is 22 multiplied by your 2, which will give you 44 millimeters. Note this little line that I've got over here. So from the bottom of this right up to that line over there is 44 millimeters. I'm going to take my pair of dividers and measure off 44 millimeters. Take that and mark that off. Draw a line, a nice dark line going across over there. There we go. So I've got a dark line, a dark line, and a dark line. From there, I need to take my 60-degree set square. This is very important. It's a 60-degree angle with a 0.3 pencil going up over there, and a 60-degree angle going up over there, and a 0.3 pencil line coming down over there, a 0.3 pencil line coming down over there. Those angles done at 45 degrees, those angles done at 60 degrees. And that's your shaft done for your bolt.